Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you make dish liquid soap with just the ingredients? Yes, you can. We all know how the economy is not friendly, so if you are looking for a way to make profit, this is the best way to do it. So watch this video, watch till the end. As a matter of fact, you're just buying two ingredients in the chemical store, so the other one is in your kitchen. So guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my video. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, this is Gloria's Home of Skill, and please encourage me by subscribing to my channel to make my channel grow. So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching how to make liquid soap with just 3 ingredients, so keep watching. So guys, these are the materials needed for this procedure. So I just listed them the way I'm touching them. So this is salt, this is 250 grams. So the next one is sodium lauryl sulfate, known as SLS solution. So the other one is Texapon. I'm going to open it to show you how the texture looks. It looks like rice green. So guys, we are going to dive into the video after I have shown you this SLS. Guys, when you go to a chemical store, just screenshot what you are seeing on the screen, the quantity that you are going to use. Screenshot it, then take it to a chemical store, they'll give it to you. So this is 5 liters of water. I'm going to take some out just to dissolve the solutions, the SLS solution. That's the first material that you are going to dissolve, because it takes time to dissolve. Okay, sodium lauryl sulfate, known as SLS, is the second chemical to put inside the soap bucket when we are making it. So but we are going to dissolve it and set it aside for it to dissolve properly. So this is it. I'm going to stir it. Please stir this thing properly, it takes time to dissolve. So if you have a stick blender, you can use it to dissolve it. It's not going to take you time, but if you don't have it, you use your hand to stir it the way I'm doing it. Okay, just keep watching. Please watch to the end. So guys, while we are stirring this, please use this medium to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification for more videos, so that you'll be the first to get my video when next I post. So guys, this sodium lauryl sulfate, known as SLS, serves as a foaming agent, and it helps to break down the fat and grease so that they can be easily washed away. So guys, we're going to be pouring salt into the soap bucket. Salt helps in balancing the pH of the liquid soap, and it also serves as a thickening agent. So guys, after giving the salt water a good mix, pour in the SLS into the soap bucket and stir it properly. The way my own is looking is not the way it's supposed to look, but I'm still going to stir it. So please make sure you stir yours properly before pouring it into the soap bucket. So right now we are going to be introducing the Texapon. So this serves as a foaming agent, and it also makes the soap to look transparent. Give it a good mix to avoid formation of lumps into your soap. So guys, look at the way it is looking. I'm done stirring, so I'm going to leave it for 12 hours before I introduce my color. I'm going to be using blue color in this soap. So look at it, I am done stirring. So guys, after 12 hours, look at the way my soap is looking. See how transparent my soap is looking. So I'm going to be adding in the color into the soap. If you want to introduce color and fragrance into your soap, there is no problem. If you don't want to add, there's still no problem too. They are called additives in soap. It's not a must, not compulsory, okay? So this is blue color. I just want the soap to be very light blue. I don't want it to be too deep. So guys, after a few minutes, and this is what we have here, our soap is ready. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how the soap is foaming, so keep watching, and please subscribe to my channel to make my channel grow, please. So guys, if you want to learn about soap making, check the description of this video. You will see a WhatsApp link where you can join this wonderful group. So guys, things are expensive in the market. If you're gonna achieve that multi-purpose liquid soap, this is another way of doing it. So this is just 3 ingredients. You have salt in your kitchen. The only thing you are buying in the store is just Texapon and SAS. The Texapon is just 500. Why the SAS is just 300 naira. So with 800 naira, you have achieved the 5 liters of soap. So now it is time to test our soap. So keep watching. You can see how foamy my soap is with just 3 ingredients. So guys, if you find this video interesting, please give me a huge thumbs up and leave a positive comment into the comment section. So guys, please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Without you guys, there is no need to continue. So guys, I would like to hear from you guys after testing this recipe. So stay blessed and keep watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.